Gary O'Donoghue there outside the court. Let's speak to Eugene Gorokhov. He's from the law firm Burnham and Gorokhov in Washington, D.C. I know you specialize in white-collar and federal criminal defense. What did you make of this?
Mike, I was quite frankly surprised by the sentence. As you know, it's a very large difference between the advisory sentencing guidelines range, which came in at 19.5 years, and the sentence that he actually received, which was just 1 month over 4 years. So I was surprised. I guess I was encouraged. I think that Judge Ellis took a very close look at Mr. Manafort's background, the life that he's lived outside of these offenses, and I think that Judge Ellis gave this very close and careful consideration.
This is a curious case too, isn't it? Because there's another case coming up next week as well, where the sentence could be, I think, up to 10 years.
That's right. This is such a interesting and strange case in many ways. The fact that there are parallel federal prosecutions going on just on two sides of the river here, it's kind of unprecedented. I think the issues in the case in D.C. are interesting because of the witness tampering charges, because of the what the government has alleged to be a failed cooperation agreement. So it'll be interesting to see what Judge Berman Jackson does with that.
And there was a plea deal, of course, wasn't there? I think revoked because he was found to have lied to the FBI and contacted witnesses. I guess we shouldn't forget how extraordinary it is, though, that Donald Trump's former campaign chair has admitted passing on information to someone widely believed to be an agent of Russian intelligence and living this lavish lifestyle funded by money he effectively laundered.
Yeah, I mean, again, it's an unprecedented case in so many ways. It's not every day that you see a campaign chairman prosecuted, not in one but two federal courts. I would note that, and as Judge Ellis noted in his sentencing today, that the charges that Mr. Manafort was convicted of and sentenced for today are essentially run-of-the-mill white-collar charges. At least in the Virginia case, we're not talking about any kind of collusion or anything like that. In the D.C. case, we are talking about something that strikes much closer to the heart of international politics with the Foreign Agent Registration Act, but that's another case.
There are also, I think, some documents which there's an attempt to unseal, which could be of interest to people.
That's right, and of course, the fact that they're sealed, it'll be interesting to see what's there. I don't think we should speculate as to what's there until those documents come out.
Understood. Eugene Gorokhov, thank you very much.
Thanks, Mike. Good.